As I'm waiting to board my flight, big 747 over there, I filmed something, but it was very loud at the skate park, so I couldn't explain it. So I thought I might as well do it now, as my schedule allows me to be editing in the plane all day. Title is self-explanatory. I'm gonna explain you guys how to double peg. Honestly, this is in my opinion, one of the best feeling tricks. I love riding mini ramps, and this is one of my all-time favorites. Metal pegs on a coping. Coping is that metal bar that goes over the top of a quarter pipe. Just if you don't know yet. It isn't a hard trick though, but you need a little bit of self-confidence and not being scared, and you'll pull it pretty easy. The scariest bit of the trick is going from pegs back into the quarter pipe, so I recommend you stand on the deck first, put your foot down, drop onto the pegs, and just practice going into the quarter pipe, just pushing off the deck, leaning in towards the transition. You could just kind of like steer off the coping. As soon as you get that done, you'll have the scariest bit out of the way, and it's so much more beneficial to you. Basically, doing a double peg, I come at the quarter pipe pretty straight, and then I rotate by using my upper body, my shoulders, to spin the direction I want to. That's when I push the bike towards the coping, and I make sure my body leans in towards the transition. You pushing the bike sideways is gonna make you go sideways as well. And as soon as your body goes towards the deck, you're gonna kind of tip over towards the deck, so keep your body within the transition. To keep your balance, you might wanna put one of your pedals down on the deck and just have like kind of pedal pressure as a third peg. Putting that pedal down, it'll prevent you from going down to the side. Doing the grind itself instead of just doing the stall, you wanna create forward momentum, so you're gonna go up towards the quarter pipe, but at a slight angle. You're gonna carve towards the coping, and then you do basically the exact same steps just to double peg. So you're gonna keep your body in the transition, push your bike to the side. You wanna keep your pedal up off the deck for this one. Because you carve into it instead of going straight like you would with a stall, you have that forward momentum, and that's gonna allow you to grind over the coping. It's not a hard trick. The little bit you want to spin, it's only like 90 degrees, so it's easy. You'll get that. It's all about keeping your body within the transition, not being scared, because it's all a trick about confidence. Have fun with it. Do a couple grinds. Maybe take it up to a sub box as well. So yeah, take it to a sub box. Have fun with it. If you've mastered the double peg, you can go up to other lift tricks like a Smith or a feeble, maybe an ice pick. Leave me a comment down below which trick you might want to learn next. Is that a Smith or a feeble or maybe an ice pick? I'll see if I can do a how-to on that one as well. And I hope I explained it well enough. Please give me a thumbs up if you thought this video could help you learn double pegs. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next week with another how-to. So let me know what you guys want to learn, please. Thank you. Bye.